Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling GPU in Colab because Yolo needs Q2 acceleration for practical training and inference speeds. Once done, clone the Yolo repository and pip install required packages so libraries match model code. Then mount Google Drive or upload your dataset into /content to keep files persistent. Make sure labels and images follow Yolo format. That keeps training simple. You're now ready to configure dataset paths and model config. Don't skip verifying file names and class counts. You edit the data. YAML to point to train and validation folders and confirm NC equals your class count because mismatches break training. Next, choose the appropriate Yolo model variant and set hyperparameters like epochs and batch size, smaller batches when GPU memory is limited. Then run the training cell and watch the output. Loss curves and MAP updates tell you progress. If training stalls, reduce image size or batch. If it's noisy, increase epochs. Keep an eye on GPU utilization to ensure efficiency. You run inference on a few sample images to validate results, because visual checks catch label and scale issues quickly. Once satisfied, export the trained weights to the format you need. PT for PyTorch, ONCs for portability, or TF-Lite for mobile, making sure export options match your target. If things go wrong, a single key troubleshooting step is to verify class indices and file paths first. Path typos and wrong class counts are the usual culprits. Also monitor GPU memory errors and adjust batch or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.